Hi everyone. Today is the 9th of November when we shot this video. I want to give you an idea of the timeline to sow seeds next year so that you can have similar harvest next fall. I am also hoping this would inspire you to pursue fall gardening next year if you haven't already. I have my broccoli plants showing nice growth here, but today we will harvest turnips first. I just spread the seeds in June-July time period under the tomatoes that were growing here. The shade of tomatoes protected the turnip seedlings from heat, and in September, once the tomato plants were gone, the turnips started growing big. Usually, by the time July and August rolls in, us gardeners feel tired when it comes to starting new seedlings. But if we keep pushing through and keep planting cold-tolerant seeds and plants, it results into wonderful harvests in November and December. So, the garden gives us bonus harvest when we may think that the gardening season is over. Next is carrot. This one looks big enough to harvest. This is Royal Chantenay variety. They are usually short and plump. A few more containers, so let me harvest few from those as well. We sowed these in June and kept them mostly in shade in the beginning to protect them from heat. These are beautiful carrots. We have a few tatsoi which self-sowed from our spring plants. This is looking so good, I'm going to harvest it. I will harvest only the outer leaves and not the whole plant. That way the plant can keep producing more leaves all the way into winter. This red mustard is looking amazing. We sowed it in August. It will grow really big, but I'm going to harvest these smaller leaves to add zing to my salad. I have my daikon radishes that I sowed as cover crop, but the ones that grow away from the intended area, such as this one, I harvest those. Let us get this one out. I found that sowing daikon in June and all the way to August gives really good daikon radishes. The leaves are edible too. So here we are. I harvested some celery stalks as well. All of this will get used, even the leaves. I will either saute them or make pesto. I do expect few more such wonderful harvests all the way into December, and I hope this video inspired at least one person to try fall gardening. If you missed out on fall gardening, don't worry. Fall is perfect time to start new garden by making some garden beds, and it can be done at a very minimal cost, sometimes even for free. Check out this video where we show how to do it on a budget.